Oh, hey! I didn't see you, I'm sleepy. So, I've just been working on the final shots. It involves a lot of stuff, just a lot of emotional arcs, a lot of crying, a lot of happy stuff. All the emotional roller coaster is amazing. It's so, we're almost there, and it looks good. It looks promising. I can't show anything because now I'm just animating the last shots, and you don't want to be spoiled. So that was my week, I guess.
Hey, last week I worked on a couple of shots involving snow simulation. So Koro hits the ground and we see snow splatter. So I spent some time working that interaction between the llama and the snow. And then also we have Otti jumping through the snow, leaving a little trail. In the same shot we have a couple of penguins. Sarah animated a couple of, like a group of 5 penguins, I think. And then I just took one of her walk cycles and I baked mesh cache from that in just an MDD file. And I slapped it onto the same mesh and then I duplicated that around. They're going to be just out of focus, very blurred, so I think it's going to hold up. We have one more big penguin shot in the movie. Which unfortunately is not so fast to animate. I also worked on the last shot of the film, which just needs a little bit of environment construction. We have a lighthouse in the shot, and we need a very cool looking ending sky, so I also have to work on that. Yeah, and then it's just snow simulation, bouncing rocks and stuff, sending the last remaining shots to the farm, to our awesome sponsor, Render Street. Thank you. Preparing more finals. So right now, at this point, we have 4 or 5? 3 shots. 3 shots left to render. But overall, we're okay. We never had an open movie with that many shots rendered 1 week before the deadline. That was pretty much my week. Yeah.
Run away with the camera.
This week I focused on renders, like we said last week, finals. We plan to have most of the finals final by this week, by the first days of this week, but we wanted to go back to some of the shots and re-render some of them. So even though we have finals for those shots, we went back, added some details, and now we are re-rendering finals. I think that's a good strategy to just have backup finals, even not the best quality or the details you wanted to add, but yes. We went to Utrecht, Utrecht, like the Dutch say, Utrecht, with Hjalti on Tuesday, Wednesday, when was it?
Friday.
Oh my god,
Sorry,
all the days.
Yeah, it's weird.
What day is it? Right
Today is Sunday, we're recording it late, sorry. But you need to know this. Today is Monday, of course. We went to Utrecht with Hjalti on Friday to record the vocals because we brought our voice talent, Hjalti Hammerson.
Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, you recorded a video.
Also known as animator and layout artist and pretty much everything. We have the sound and it's amazing. I was really, really happy with what Sander had so far. We did some tweaks. We added some more sounds that we wanted, some more specific sounds in some parts when there is a lot of violence. But everything is really nice, comical. It has this cartoon feeling that we always wanted to share, to have, and I think it's going to be awesome. The movie is 2.5 minutes, exactly 3,600 frames. It's going to be a challenge. We're going to start making the final export on Thursday. We hope Francesco is going to be taking care of that, of all the encoding pipeline like he did for previous projects. This week I didn't use this at all because it's been pretty much of a chaos. But what I've been writing actually is some of the tutorials that we are going to do. And we're going to record once we finish the movie. About that, we promised, we even put it on the trailer that we will release the movie on the 27th of January on a Wednesday, and we could do it. We could totally do it, as Hjalti and as Andy said. All the shots pretty much are there, are final, and we could do it, but it wouldn't be at the level of quality that we really want to achieve. So for that reason, we are moving the release date till 2017. So it's gonna be a feature. It's going to be moved 2 days later, Friday. So Friday the 29th of January, it's going to be released just as we planned before. Everything's gonna be even better. It's not like another week or another month. It's only 2 days. Why? Because there is a few shots where we really need more characters than the ones we have already. Koro and Oti are not enough. We need a bit more. We need just to bring the movie to a next level, you need to have more characters, more environment, details, and everything. We are being a little bit picky, but not extremely picky. We really need this time. So I hope you understand that. And as a reward, the name of the Caminandes 3 is going to be Lamigos. Yes, we did another llama pun. Yes, we are ashamed of that. I think it works because in this episode is the very first one where we actually have Koro, our main character, have another friend, which is maybe not the best friend. If you've seen the trailer, maybe they don't start as friends, but this relationship grows bigger and better, and we end up with a nice new character for the Caminandes universe that we can even use for in future episodes. So Caminandes Lamigos is going to be released on Friday 29th this week. So check it out. Go to caminandes.com, cloud.blender.org.
That's it? Yeah, let's say goodbye.
That's a little more dynamic. Wait. Like that.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. It's been a pleasure to have you here. Thank you for staying 10 weeklies. Yes?
Yes.
We're going to record something else. It's not going to be the last one. Yes.
We do one more.
We will do one more. We will do a documentary with the life of each one of us since we're kids. We're going to go through...
All the family pictures.
We're going to go to the hometowns. We're going to go to Trento in Italy, in the Alps. We're going to visit... We're going to Iceland. That's going to be super fun when we go visit...
Neskaupstað.
Yes.
Yeah.
And all the...
Tiny village on the East Coast, yes.
Oh, that's so cute.
So cute, yeah.
Anyway, no, goodbye.
Bye. It's enough. Cut.
To the chopper.